friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi, and I'm so excited to share some winnings that I got today. It was for a giveaway that Diana Loves Color had, and I happened to be the lucky winner, and I'm so excited to share what she sent because everything is absolutely adorable and full of summer vibes. So let's get to it. Friends, I want to share with you some winnings that I received from Diana Loves Color. Oh my gosh, look at this cuteness, my friends. Let's have a look. In this adorable tiny envelope, we have this little card and it says, "Hi Jovi, thank you for entering my little giveaway. I hope you enjoy these small gifts. Have a great summer, Diana." Well, thank you so much, Diana. Everything looks so precious. Oh my goodness. First, let's just grab a hold of this. We've got a cute little notebook. That's perfect for jotting down little reminders or grocery lists and things like that. Look at this. That is so adorable. I love it. That's so cute. So summery. Absolutely love it. What do we have here? Oh my goodness, my friends. Look at this little watermelon shaker. Isn't that the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. How precious. Aww, strawberry. It's so cute. That's a cherry. Oh my gosh, is this a cherry too? Yes. Oh, so cute. Oh man. Adorable. And then let's see what we have in this one. Look at these. It says fresh strawberries. Oh my gosh, look at the lemons. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, more strawberries. So adorable. These are great. Oh my goodness. And oh my gosh, look at this, my friends. This is so clever. So she gave me this card and it's got all the fruits on it, right? So cute. And then she gave me this shaker mix, which has hearts and limes and lemons and sequins. Oh my gosh. And then look, this decorated spoon, it's got this lemon charm on it, which is the cutest thing. And a little spoon for the shaker mix. How stinking cute is that? Thank you so much, Diana, for these beautiful winnings. I love everything. And to you, my friends, thanks for coming over and checking it out. Thanks for watching. See you soon.